The HILIGANON word kúha means to get in English. Kúha. Kúha. Nagkuha siya sang 4 ka libro. It means he or she got 4 books. 4 is 4. Libro is book. So 4 ka libro, 4 books. Siya is he or she. Nagkuha siya sang 4 ka libro. Nagakuha kami sang bato. It means we are getting rocks. Bato is a rock. Kami is us or we. So nagakuha kami sang bato. Kuhaon niya ang folder sa lamisa. It means he or she will get the folder on the table. So folder, it's the same. And then lamesa is table. Niya is he or she. So kuhaon niya ang folder sa lamisa. Hindi ka magkuha sang hindi imo. It means do not take what is not yours. Kuha means to get. And then hindi means don't. Or no, do not. Imo is yours. So hindi ka magkuha sang hindi imo. And that is all for the HILIGANON word kúha, which means to get in English. Kúha. Kúha.